Imagine standing in the middle of your workshop, overwhelmed by endless projects, when suddenly the right tool transforms chaos into mastery. From mind-blowing gadgets that feel almost futuristic to clever upgrades pros swear by. Today, we're unlocking 40 tools that will completely change how you build, fix, and create. Get ready, because each one is a game changer you never knew you needed. All the products featured in this video can be found in the description below. If these picks help, drop a like, hit subscribe, and tap the bell so you catch every new roundup. Now, let's dive into the list. WORX 572 BladeRunner X 2 Portable Tabletop Saw. The WORX BladeRunner X2 is a portable tabletop saw that uses standard T-shank jigsaw blades to cut wood, metal, plastic, tile, and aluminum. Tool-free blade changes, an included rip fence and miter gauge, and a safety key make setup fast and secure. Arriving knife and guard improve cut quality and help reduce kickback. Weighing under 15 pounds, it sets up on any bench or tailgate, then stores easily. This is a great pick when you need track saw precision in a compact go-anywhere package. DEWALT 20V Max XR Compact Router. DEWALT's DCW600B 20V compact router brings cord-free convenience to trim routing, chamfers, dados, and hinge mortising. A brushless motor delivers efficient power, while a variable speed dial, approx 16,000–25,500 revolutions per minute, lets you match the bit to the material. The dual LED lights illuminate the work, and a depth adjustment ring plus quick release clamp make precise setup simple. Soft start electronics help maintain cut quality. If you already run DEWALT 20V batteries, this is an easy upgrade that delivers pro results without dragging a cord across your workpiece. DEWALT 20V Max XR Brushless Belt Sander. The DCW220B is a cordless brushless belt sander ready for site work and shop projects. A wide sanding area speeds material removal, and the variable speed dial lets you tune finish quality. DEWALT's airlock-compatible dust port connects to extractors to keep the line of sight clean, and a quick release lever makes belt swaps fast. Overmolded grips improve comfort during long passes. If you want corded performance with cordless freedom for leveling tabletops, trimming doors, or knocking down welds, this sander earns a permanent spot in the kit. Milwaukee M12 Fuel 1/4 inch right angle die grinder. Milwaukee's compact right angle die grinder tucks into places air tools can't reach, without the hose. The Power State brushless motor spins up to 24,500 revolutions per minute, and the 4-mode speed selector plus variable trigger give precise control with 2 inches accessories. Its slim head improves visibility for weld cleanup, deburring, and gasket removal. RedLink electronics help prevent overload and overheating. Pair it with surface conditioning discs or carbide burrs, and you've got a portable metal finishing station. It's a go-to upgrade if you're tired of dragging a compressor for quick detail work. LockNLube Grease Gun Coupler. The LockNLube coupler solves the #1 grease gun headache, leaks, and messy blow-off. Press the thumb lever, snap it over any zerk, and it locks on hands-free, rated up to 10,000 psi. A hardened 4-jaw design seals tight so you can focus on pumping, not holding the tip. When you're done, press to release. No wrestling the coupler off. It's a small upgrade that saves cartridges, keeps fittings clean, and makes chassis, ag, and shop maintenance faster and less frustrating. Fanttik S1 Pro Electric Precision Screwdriver. A sleek, pen-style driver for electronics and small repairs, the Fanttik S1 Pro combines precise electronic torque with manual assist for stuck fasteners. Multiple torque settings protect delicate gear, and the forward-reverse buttons with an OLED readout keep control simple. A magnetic aluminum case organizes premium S2 bits for phones, laptops, eyeglasses, and toys. USB-C charging and an LED ring light round out the feature set. If you tinker, fix, or mod, this is the tidy, travel-ready precision kit you'll actually keep within reach. Fanttik X8 Apex Tire Inflator. The Fanttik X8 Apex is a powerful cordless inflator built for cars, SUVs, bikes, and balls. Set a target PSI, press start, and the digital compressor auto stops at your preset. No guesswork. Multiple modes cover common scenarios, and a bright screen is easy to read day or night. The compact body stows in glove boxes, the hose and nozzles store on board. It's fast, clean, and far safer than gas station pumps. For roadside peace of mind or topping off tires before a road trip, this is a smart carry. HOTO 3.6 volt electric screwdriver kit. Minimalist design meets everyday utility. HOTO's 3.6-volt driver delivers handy torque for furniture assembly, fixtures, and home projects, while the integrated LED ring light brightens shadowy corners. One-button forward, reverse, magnetic bit changes, and USB-C charging make it grab and go simple. The kit's S2 steel bits and tidy storage case keep everything organized. Compared to bargain drivers, HOTO's build quality, balanced feel, and clean aesthetics make it the tool you'll actually enjoy using for quick jobs around the house or studio. KREG PRS 3400 Precision Router Table Setup Bars. These anodized aluminum setup bars make router table adjustments fast and repeatable. Each stepped bar gauges bit height, fence offsets, and dado depths without fiddly rulers. Concave convex profiles help center bits, and laser-etched markings are easy to read. Drop a bar beside the cutter, lock in, and get back to cutting. Whether you're dialing in a 1/4 inch round over or stacking perfect box joint fingers, the PRS 3400 set removes guesswork and boosts accuracy. An inexpensive upgrade that pays for itself in saved test cuts. KREG Pocket-Hole Jig 720 PRO. KREG's flagship jig speeds strong pocket hole joinery with Automax trademark one-motion clamping and GripMax trademark anti-slip surfaces that hold stock steady. The docking station adds support wings with onboard bit plug storage, while a dust port keeps chips under control. Built-in material thickness stops and an easy set drill bit simplify setup for 1/2 inch, 3/4 inch, and 1.5 inch stock. For cabinets, face frames, and shop furniture, the 720 PRO turns beginners into confident builders and lets pros bang out consistent, tight joints in minutes. RIDGID Accu-Cut Circular Saw Track Guide. Turn your circular saw into a track saw. The Accu-Cut's guided sled rides on aluminum rails with anti-chip, anti-slip strips for straight, splinter-controlled cuts up to cross-cut and rip lengths typical of 4x8 breakdown. The universal sled fits most left or right blade saws, and setup is simple. Align the edge, press down, and cut. It's ideal when you need cabinet-grade results without buying a dedicated track saw, and it packs small for job site work or compact shops. KREG RIP Cut Circular Saw Edge Guide. For repeatable plywood rips fast, the Rip Cut clamps to your circular saw and indexes off the sheet's factory edge. No chalk lines or measuring twice. The adjustable fence delivers accurate rips, commonly up to 24 inch, with a simple cursor scale. It's a perfect partner to the Accu-Cut. Use the Rip Cut for repetitive rips and the track for final sizing. If you're breaking down sheets solo, this guide saves time, improves accuracy, and dramatically reduces setup frustration. MICROJIG GRR-RIPPER GR103D Pushblock. Keep hands safe and cuts clean. The GRR-RIPPER's adjustable legs straddle rip cuts and thin strips, while its high-friction green pads grip the work from above for 3-directional control: downward pressure, inward hold, and forward feed. That means less kickback and better finish on table saws, router tables, and joiners. Micro adjusts the outer leg for precise strip ripping and use the balance support on narrow stock. If you value safety and accuracy when milling parts, this push block is essential shop insurance. DEWALT Right Angle Attachment. This impact-ready 90 degrees attachment turns drills and drivers into reach anything tools. A compact head and magnetized bit holder make it easy to drive screws between studs, inside cabinets, or under sinks. The durable internal gear design stands up to impact drivers, and the side grip lets you steady the head while the tool spins. Keep one in your bag and you'll stop saying, "I can't get the drill in there." For installers, cabinet makers, and DIYers, it's a low-cost fix for tight space headaches. Dremel 8221 2812 Volt Max Cordless Rotary Toolkit. Dremel's 8220 cordless kit covers cutting, sanding, carving, polishing, and grinding with variable speed from low to high RPM for delicate control or fast material removal. The 12-volt Li-ion pack swaps quickly and holds charge well, while the easy twist nose cap enables wrench-free accessory changes. You get one attachment and 28 accessories to start tackling everything from grout removal to hobby detailing. If you want the Dremel experience without a cord and enough runtime for real jobs, this is the sweet spot. Milwaukee M12 10-ounce Caulk and Adhesive Gun Kit. A cordless solution for clean, consistent bead control. The M12 2400-4121 combines a variable speed trigger with a 6-position dial so you can fine-tune flow for silicone, construction adhesive, and sealants. A smooth plunger rod helps reduce drips when you release the trigger, and the quick change carriage accepts standard 10-ounce cartridges. Compact M12 form factor is easy to maneuver along windows, tubs, and trim. If you want steadier lines with less fatigue than manual guns, especially in cold weather, this kit delivers dependable output and tidy results. RIDGID 18-volt compact band saw. A job site-ready compact band saw designed for clean, spark-free cutting of EMT, rebar, threaded rod, and PVC. The lightweight housing and dual handles improve control in tight spaces or overhead work, while the integrated LED brightens the cut line. Tool-free blade changes keep you moving between materials, and the hanging hook makes storage simple between tasks. Paired with RIDGID 18-volt batteries, it's a portable metal cutting solution for electricians and plumbers who need accurate cuts and less grinding versus abrasive wheels. Ego Power Plus 24-inch hedge trimmer. Ego's 56-volt system powers a 24-inch dual-action blade with up to 3/4-inch cut capacity for clean shaping of hedges and shrubs. A high-efficiency brushless motor reduces vibration and noise, while the electric brake stops the blades quickly for added control between cuts. Weather-resistant construction and a comfortable, rubberized grip make longer sessions easier on hands and arms. Using the same ARC lithium battery platform as other Ego tools, this trimmer offers corded-like performance without fumes or cords, ideal for homeowners who want pro-level results. DEWALT 20-volt Max XR variable speed die grinder. A brushless die grinder built for metal prep, porting, and deburring without an air hose. The DCG 426B features variable speed for matching abrasive to material, and a bright LED to illuminate welds and tight cavities. Its slim body and paddle switch provide confident control with 1/4-inch accessories, while electronic protection helps guard against overload and overheating. Run it with your existing DEWALT 20-volt packs for a grab, and go grinder that's powerful, precise, and far quieter than pneumatic tools in the shop or on site. RIDGID K3 3-foot toilet auger. A plumber's favorite for clearing toilet clogs safely. The K3 uses a kink-resistant cable with a bulb head to break up obstructions while protecting porcelain. A vinyl guard on the tube shields the bowl, and the ergonomic handle offers solid leverage when feeding or retracting the cable. At 3 feet long, it reaches most trap clogs without removing the toilet. For homeowners and maintenance techs, this is a durable, non-chemical solution that resolves most blockages quickly and avoids costly service calls. BOSCH GLM 50C 165 feet Bluetooth laser measure. Accurate digital measuring with smart connectivity. The GLM 50C measures length, area, volume, and indirect heights, then sends results via Bluetooth registered trademark to the BOSCH app for organized takeoffs. A backlit color display and tilt sensor readout improve readability and angle checks, while an intuitive keypad speeds common functions. With up to 165 feet range and real-time measurement mode, it excels at room dimensions, material estimates, and quick layout. If you're still juggling tape and notes, this compact laser becomes your faster, more precise daily tool. BOSCH GLL 4020G Green Beam Crossline Laser Level. Bright green crosslines for easy visibility during layout. This self-leveling laser projects horizontal and vertical lines with BOSCH VisiMax trademark technology to optimize brightness and runtime. A pendulum system self-levels and locks for safe transport, and the included mounting accessories help position it on walls or tripods. Ideal for tiling, shelving, trim, and picture grids, where straight level references save time. Compared to red beams, the green lines are easier to see indoors, helping achieve cleaner installations with fewer rechecks. Master Appliance HG 501D Industrial Heat Gun. Built for shop and field use, the HG 501D delivers high-temperature hot air for shrink tubing, adhesive release, plastic forming, and paint softening. A durable housing and balanced handle make extended use comfortable, while nozzle accessories, sold separately, tailor airflow to the task. The integrated stand allows hands-free positioning for bench work. When you need controlled heat without an open flame, this gun provides fast warm-up and reliable output. Handy for electricians, automotive techs, and makers who demand repeatable results project after project. Lexivon 1/2-inch drive. Click torque wrench. A precise click-type torque wrench for wheels, engines, and equipment assembly. The LX183 features a reversible 1/2-inch ratchet head, dual scale, feet pound Nm, laser-etched markings, and a micrometer adjustment for dialing in exact torque. Each wrench is pre-calibrated to industry accuracy standards and ships in a protective storage case. The steel construction with corrosion-resistant finish stands up to shop use. If you're tightening lug nuts or critical fasteners, this wrench brings consistency and confidence so you hit spec instead of guessing that feels tight. Can-Ipex 10-inch Cobra water pump pliers. Legendary self-locking grip on pipes and nuts. The Cobra's push-button adjustment offers multiple jaw positions, while the box joint design and hardened teeth bite and hold without slipping. A guard prevents pinched fingers, and the slim head fits in confined spaces under sinks and inside panels. With secure one-handed adjustment and high leverage, these pliers replace bulky pipe wrenches for many tasks. They're a staple in every pro's bag because they grip hard, release cleanly, and last for years of daily service. Knipex 10-inch pliers wrench. Smooth, parallel jaws act like a small adjustable wrench, without marring chrome fittings. The pliers wrench applies even pressure across flats, excellent for compression nuts, valves, and delicate hardware. A push button adjusts capacity quickly. The zero backlash design and compound leverage deliver strong clamping force with precise control. It also excels for bending, holding, and pressing tasks where standard pliers chew parts. If you work plumbing, HVAC, or assembly, this single tool replaces multiple spanners and protects finishes while delivering serious grip. Klein Tools 8-in-1 HVAC slide drive screwdriver nut driver. Purpose-built for HVAC techs. The 32596 combines magnetic 1/4 inch and 3 8-inch nut drivers with commonly used Phillips slotted bits and a core removal tool for Schrader valves. The patented slide drive shaft switches between 1/4 inch and 3 8-inch without swapping sockets, while the cushion grip handle improves torque and comfort. Bits store in the handle for quick changes on rooftops and in attics. It's a compact, durable multi-driver that trims the kit you carry and covers most fasteners you'll meet on service calls. Klein Tools Coax Explorer 2 Coax Tester Kit. Quickly identify and map coax runs in homes and offices. The Coax Explorer 2 uses F-connector remotes to check continuity and identify up to 4 locations with color-coded caps. LED indicators show pass-fail and short conditions at a glance, and the pocketable design fits in tool pouches, ideal for cable, satellite, and CCTV installs where tracing lines behind walls saves time. With straightforward operation and rugged construction, it's a reliable go-to for verifying coax integrity before you button up the job. Klein Tools Large Cable Stripper. Strip large aluminum and copper conductors cleanly. No knives, no guesswork. This adjustable multi-blade tool sizes to common insulation diameters so you can score and remove jackets without nicking strands. The sturdy body withstands job site use, and the replaceable blades help keep cuts consistent over time. Electricians appreciate the repeatability on feeder and service conductors where clean prep speeds lugs and terminations. If you frequently handle big wire, this stripper improves safety and accuracy while reducing fatigue versus manual blade methods. Power-built brake fluid tester pen, a pocket-size LED tester that checks moisture content in DOT3, DOT4, and DOT 5.1 brake fluids. Press the power button, dip the probe into the reservoir, and read the LED bar to gauge water percentage. It's a quick diagnostic that helps determine if fluid needs replacement to prevent corrosion and spongy pedal feel. The pen uses an AAA battery and clips to a pocket for easy access. For DIYers and techs, it's an inexpensive tool that supports safer, more consistent brake service. Gorilla Gripper 44010 Panel Carrier. Move sheet goods safely with one hand. Gorilla Gripper clamps onto plywood, drywall, MDF, and doors so you can lift with better posture and less strain on fingers and back. The self-adjusting cam action bites securely, while padded jaws protect finished surfaces. A wide ergonomic handle gives confident control when navigating stairs, tight corridors, or truck beds. For solo builders and installers, this simple lever tool turns awkward. Two-person hauls into controlled single-person carries, speeding unloads, reducing fatigue, and helping prevent drops and edge damage. Roughneck Gorilla 3-piece bolster and chisel set. Built for demolition and shaping, this 3-piece set includes a wide bolster for splitting blocks and 2 cold chisels for cutting bricks, mortar, and metal fixings. Each tool features a heavy-duty, impact-ready blade with a protective handguard that improves grip and shields knuckles from glancing blows. The offset handle geometry provides better line of sight and safer striking angles. Powder-coated steel resists corrosion on site. If your project involves masonry, tile, or render removal, these chisels deliver clean, controllable breaks and long service life at a great value. Paint Shaver Pro 9 Ampere Paint Removal Tool. Remove multiple layers of paint fast. No chemicals, less dust. Paint Shaver Pro shaves siding, trim, and flat surfaces using replaceable tungsten carbide blades with adjustable cutting depth for wood, steel, concrete, or fiberglass. Hook it to a HEPA-capable vacuum to capture chips at the source, a plus when dealing with old coatings. Soft start and overload protection improve control, while the included accessories help dial in profiles and corners. For whole house repaints and restoration work, it delivers contractor-grade speed and a cleaner job site than heat guns or sanders. RIDGID 223S Inner-Outer Reamer. DeBurr and chamfer copper, brass, aluminum, and stainless tubing with one compact tool. The RIDGID 223S combines a tapered inner cone for clean ID reaming and an outer blade ring for fast OD beveling. Perfect for prepping ends before soldering, brazing, or compression fittings. Hardened steel cutting edges hold up to job site use, while the knurled body provides a secure grip with gloves. Keep it in a pocket or pouch, and you'll stop fighting ragged edges that snag seals, contaminate joints, and slow assembly. Leatherman Wave Plus Multi-Tool. The EDC standby for trades, camping, and repairs. Wave Plus PAX pliers with replaceable wire cutters, 2 one-hand opening knives, saw, spring-action scissors, files, wood, metal, and diamond, drivers, and more. 18 tools in a compact stainless frame. Outside accessible blades make quick work of rope, plastic, and packaging, while locking tools add confidence under load. Compatible with bit kits and pocket clips for customization. Backed by Leatherman's renowned 25-year warranty, it's the multi-tool you'll actually carry. And the one you'll be glad you did when the unexpected hits. DEWALT Impact Ready Shears Attachment. Turn your drill or impact driver into a sheet metal shear. This DEWALT attachment clamps on in seconds and delivers clean, controlled cuts in HVAC duct, flashing, and roofing metals. The swiveling head improves maneuverability around bends and profiles, while the double-cut design helps minimize warping and leaves smoother edges. Built with hardened steel blades and an impact-rated gearbox, it's ready for daily job site use. If you're tired of hand snips on long runs or loud spark-throwing cutoff wheels, this compact shear is the quiet, precise alternative. Solary 1100-watt magnetic induction heater kit. Free-seized fasteners without flames. Solary's induction heater focuses electromagnetic heat into rusted nuts, bolts, decals, and body panels, expanding metal quickly so you can break it loose or peel adhesives cleanly. The 1100-watt unit includes multiple coils for common fastener sizes, plus a built-in fan and thermal protections for longer duty cycles. Compared to torches, it's faster on targeted heating, safer near fuel lines and wiring, and won't scorch surrounding paint. Body shops, mechanics, and farm techs gain a controlled, repeatable way to defeat corrosion. OEM Tools. 25,081 Universal Bearing Packer. Repack wheel bearings the clean, fast way. Fill the reservoir with grease. Place the bearing and compress. The tool forces fresh grease through the rollers while pushing out the old. The transparent cap lets you monitor progress, and the universal design fits most automotive and light truck bearings. Pair it with a standard grease gun for mess-free operation on the bench. For DIY service or fleet maintenance, this packer delivers consistent results that extend bearing life, reduce contamination, and keep hubs running cooler and quieter. Jet JWL 1640 EVS 16-inch by 40-inch wood lathe. A serious turner's platform with electronic variable speed. The 16-inch swing and 40-inch between centers handle bowls, spindles, and furniture parts. The sliding pivoting headstock opens shoulder room for large blanks. Cast iron bed, hefty legs, and a digital RPM readout add stability and control, while spindle indexing, forward, reverse, and easy belt ranges expand capability. Ergonomic controls and a robust tool rest system round it out. If you're upgrading from a MIDI lathe, this EVS machine brings pro-level smoothness and power to your shop. Irwin Vise Grip 23 R Locking Sheet Metal Tool. Wide, flat jaws make crisp bends and seam folds in sheet metal. The 23R uses Irwin's classic locking mechanism to clamp securely while you position and form panels, then releases with a guarded lever. Heat-treated alloy steel construction resists torsion and wear, and the adjustment screw dials in clamping pressure for delicate aluminum or stout galvanized stock. Ideal for HVAC transitions, drip edges, and patch panels, this tool provides the control of a hand seamer with the holding power of locking pliers. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed discovering these amazing tools that make every project easier, faster, and more fun. If you found a gadget today that caught your eye, let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Don't forget to hit the like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more awesome tool roundups. Stay tuned, because the next list will be even more exciting.